Okay, ready to do some more grammar? All right, some of you guys love this stuff. Some of you put up with it, but hopefully it's not too bad since we're doing it all together. Let's read number 1 together. I played with my new doll today. That's our first question. Always want to know who or what is doing something in the sentence, right? So, I played with my new doll today. Who played? I, subject pronoun. We haven't had one of those in a while. Remember? The subject pronouns, I and we, he and she, it and they and you. Okay, so what is being said about I? I played. Verb. With preposition. With what? There's a whole bunch of words here, but only one of them is with doll, right? Object of the preposition. Now we have to go back and fill in all these words between the preposition and the object of the preposition. What kind of doll? New. Adjective. Whose doll? My. Possessive pronoun. So, with my new doll is your prepositional phrase. We have one word left here at the end. Has to do with the verb, so it's going to have to answer one of the adverb questions that tells about verbs. When did we play? Played when? Today. Adverb. Go back to the verb, divide the complete subject from the complete predicate, underline the complete subject once and the complete predicate twice. Okay? Have you ever noticed that when you have a subject pronoun, you don't have adjectives over here at the beginning? An angry farmer looked for his 3 pigs. Who looked? Farmer. Subject noun. What is being said about farmer? Farmer looked. Verb. For preposition. For what? What is he looking for? Is he looking for his, for 3, or for pigs? He's looking for pigs. Object of the preposition. How many pigs? 3. Adjective. His. Possessive pronoun. For his 3 pigs, prepositional phrase. Now we go back to our subject and we work our way to the beginning of the sentence. What kind of farmer? Angry. Adjective. An article adjective. Go back to the verb, divide the complete subject from the complete predicate, underline the complete subject once and the complete predicate twice. Make sure your lines are nice and neat. Okay, it says use sentence 2 above to complete the chart. What are the nouns in sentence 2? First one is farmer. How is it used? Subject noun. Is it singular or plural? There's only one, farmer, singular. Common or proper? We don't know his or her name, so it's common. Okay, we need another noun from sentence 2. Pigs. How is that word used? Object of the preposition. Singular or plural? There is an S at the end. It's easy to see that it's plural. Common or proper? Again, no name, just pigs, so it's common. It's only proper if it's capitalized and it's the name of something. So now we're going to unscramble this sentence. The words we have are on Jan, paper, the, drew, read. So we want to start with our subject noun because that's what the sentence is about. Just like when we start classifying up here, that's our first question. Who is this about, or what is it about? Down here we want to know who this is about. So we have two nouns, but it's not, I doubt the sentence is going to be about paper. It would make more sense for it to be about a person, right? Jan. So let's put her at the beginning. We could change it later if we were wrong, right? What can Jan do? She drew. Paper can't do too much, so this makes more sense. Jan drew. Which one of these is a preposition? On. On what? On paper. Okay, now our sentence is starting to sound like something. Jan drew on paper. That could be a sentence by itself, couldn't it? Jan drew on paper. But we can add some more details. We have space here. Article adjective is the. And our last word is red. Can red be an adjective? Yes. What kind of paper? Red. Adjective. Let's read and see if it makes sense. Jan drew on the red paper. Yep, that sounds like a good sentence. And we put a period at the end and we started with a capital letter. Okay, let's work on verb tense. 1 for present, 2 for past, 3 for future. The bus stops at my house. Is that happening right now? Yes. We will stop at the store. Is that future? Will? Yes. The car stopped at the red light. We got our past tense ending there. Easy to identify, that's a past tense. He will sell us a new house. Has the word will, so it has to be future. The man sold his apples. Is that happening now, or did it already happen? Already happened, past tense. My uncle sells cars and trucks. Present tense. Now we get to edit the sentence at the bottom. Will Ray get his new bike on Monday? What does that sound like to you? A statement or a question? Will Ray get his new bike on Monday? Question, right? What else do we need to do? Capitalize the first. Any names? We have a name of a man here, or a boy, not sure which. Will Ray get his new bike on Monday? And we have the name of a weekday. And that's it. Way to go. You're done.